I can't take bad energy with me on the road. I want to have
Bad energy because I
Yo,
said
stop me, run this off my bump. You have to stop
do
me.
Feel like angels are like them. Make we see. So, we handpick them panty affair. We get them from Luscious Seduction. As I say, if you want sexy panties for turn on your man and all type of stuff, and just look good and feel good in your wear, check out Luscious Seduction. As I say, I left them panty hidden. So when she do see this vlog, we're supposed to be at OG. So by the time we come back, I go like give you an update video. I go make sure so like me get a recording of her. I try to find them. As I say, let's start the video. Squad. What's up everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade. I tell you with another bang hesitate. I go fake an argument with Angel. And in result of the argument, I go say, yo, me run the blow car off the road, you know. Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime.
We're going, we're touch upon the road. We did want Lovell forward, but Lovell have to babysit Adiana. So we're there with your boy Lucy and my wife Ian Jar.
Hi guys.
Ian Jar Baba Ram.
Yeah.
Community are nice, don't I tell them? Nice community.
I love drive around drive from my place.
Yes man, that is a must, true.
Really good. I don't live over here. I don't want to come to Malawi.
Very nice.
I mean,
You don't live over here? You don't live over here?
no must man. One derby.
Where?
Come Rex. Oh.
This is why I went out. Why you throw this something outside?
You see dog with him?
Alright.
You love animals.
Yeah, we can take time through.
I don't like you don't know him. Me know a relationship and you see me every time you choose, you ask me can't take time. No.
All you need to do is just close them out when you choose.
We can't choose so.
Alright, do what you need to do then.
Me just call them tough like I am, them have to try different.
Alright, so do what you do.
And top time of you too.
True. True.
Every time, I saw me true, babe. You can't tell me nothing to do. What me do as a human, I saw me true, I saw me eat to survive.
So some people too.
It look you know it's in sour.
Turn up in your job one way of it. I know yeah. Choose
Man.
You can do better.
I don't want to do better.
So that's all I need to say, but don't tell me say you can't do better. You can. It's annoying. You're true with them more clothes. I don't tell you to be perfect.
It
but
is annoying when you tell me where to do. No man bro, but I saw me true bro. It's in sour.
Listen to your tone of voice when you talk to Lucia and hear your tone of voice when you did talk to me.
I don't want you to tell me what to do, it's annoying.
You know, you don't have to do it's okay.
It's annoying.
But just show you the difference. Hear your tone of voice when you talk to him.
Say now, listen, he told me I talk to you now. You disregard, he told me I talk to you now. Ian, it is annoying. Alright, maybe it is annoying when you talk to me about chewing because that's how I chew. I've been with you 6 years and that's how the hell I chew. Gosh, man. You have to make me show me dirty colors, man. Sure.
Whatever you want.
As a matter of fact, yo, me not like. You want to stay with me and Lucy want go?
If that's what you want.
You can't, that video. You can't, you know.
What with me?
You're not going.
What with me?
You know, we're not going so far. You can't give me yes or no.
What with me?
Me ask you, can't just.
If you want.
Stop talking to me,
If you want.
Stop talking to me,
When you did talk to me like that, why you never think
me
about
ask
that?
if you a yes or no answer. What is so hard?
Yes.
Box said me.
You can't take time too. Good.
No.
Anyone you can.
No, but me don't know when my
Judge, no, sir.
no, but me not. What am I tell you?
Can't have to take time. The tune for tune.
Alright, me stop tune now.
Yeah, pick up this.
But you can't stop if you don't want to come, baby, you don't have to come. Because I see energy.
Do what you need to do. Do the right thing.
My girl, you want to go back up?
Yes, I want to.
Alright, make a turn.
I want to.
I will
You
be
not
topic
go
more.
there,
Eh?
You not go there, sir.
No, but me can't take the energy side of me.
What energy? I said, babe, chew quietly.
This what me I say,
I
no,
wasn't
man.
saying a bad thing to you.
This what me I say, no, man. Alright, me
And
know.
then you're going to come with the mockery and the sarcasm.
Me know, man. Me know. Me don't want to hear nothing. Me can't take your bad energy with me on the road. Me want to have vibe.
Bad energy because I
Yo,
said
stop
to
me.
chew.
Run this off my bump. You have to
No,
stop
do
talking.
it.
Yo, stop talking this up.
Do massa. But you can't do it down. You want God.
Why are you running?
Don't play with me, yeah?
Do massa.
You don't tell me about play.
Don't play with
Come
me.
out and carry it.
Do massa.
Stop it.
See there.
You
Go
got
on.
about corona. Sis, Yanja,
You don't know me, I
in a
wanna-
reach, in a reach, sir.
No,
Yanja in a reach, there, sir.
My girl, come
Yanja
on,
in a reach,
man.
there, sir. Me can carry back down. I mean, I come out in a Yanja.
Boom, bad.
Do massa when I go on the road, come. We don't run off business right now.
No, hold on. Hey, big head girl, I really let me slam. Me can't do something.
Do massa when I go back down. Now what I go now?
Yo, you know, saying just know if you broke man the vibes.
Wait, me go and be
Better me
thirsty.
run it tire upon him too.
Nobody didn't fool you, brother. You hear that, man?
My girl, I can't do your slam stuff.
Company work, Yanja. Yanja, company work.
you said they love a car so much. Go on then. I think you are run a car off a road with me?
But we not go on the road now, Yanja, down, so we are go
You
back.
can't sit down in there.
Yanja, I carry back down.
Yo, go on with the Yanja then. Go on with the Yanja.
So you not go back down?
No, go ahead, no.
Let me tell you something.
Yanja, down, so we are
Them
come up.
something they no joke, you hear? Because me and Jason can't have an argument and Jason go talk about them and go run car for the road. I saw me love sit down in a man car front for somebody run car for the
But
road.
me
with
tell you,
me.
we not go Yanja, we must carry back down there, so. Come in here back.
Come, let me carry them. Let me carry back down. Because if you never want to come here, you could have say you don't want to
Let
come.
me tell you something, you're lucky say me no know in here. You're lucky say me no know in here. Me no run certain joke, no ramp with me. Because me never did I tell you nothing bad. Me said true quietly.
This one is 92 still.
Every time. And it's not now. It's every time. And me not tell you if it be perfect. Me just help you if you do better. The first thing you can do is just true with the mouth closed.
Alright, you know? Me hear what you say. Just stop talking.
I mean, just in there, I'm very sure.
Alright, no, man.
I know if she did, if she did, and she say, and you don't say.
A matter of fact, listen to Jesse tone while talking to you and then his tone talking to me.
I want to you, my girl. I want to you, man.
Stop pay attention to my tone and pay attention to the message when I try to bring across.
So why you pay attention to my tone and don't pay attention to the message when I try to bring across to you?
Just carry back down.
I mean, I say so she don't know it, man.
Just carry back down, sir.
Say, you
You're
know.
so embarrassing.
Business we know the pan.
I tell you, you're so embarrassing.
Go on, go along.
Go on.
Go on. You come all wish me, go by myself.
Come at that, boy. You sure you want to go on the road?
I go blow off some steam, man.
Brother,
Give me mosquitoes. No, none of mosquitoes.
yo. But I'm going on the road with you.
A prank.
I ain't going to mosquitoes like a fear.
I'm say when I get by Star of Star.
Come here, I wonder what is the unnecessary behavior for.